Are you looking for how to input color code in Excel? Then first select the cells. For example, I'm selecting this cells. Then go to the Home tab and click the arrow, and in the Format cell you will see that number, alignment and different other tabs. You need to click on the Font tabs. Then go to the Color, click on this arrow and click on the More Colors, and then click on the Customs. And in the hex box, type your 6-digit code, for example hash FFCB05 and hit enter, and your desired color will be appeared. Click on the OK, and here you can see that. To apply the RGB values, you need to again go to the font, click on this arrow, go to the font, click on the colors, more colors, and here is the RGB, and you need to select the RGB and put the RGB specific values for red, green and blue. So make sure it should be 0 to 256, 255 and in their respective box. For example, I'm putting the values 200 for red and 150 for green and for blue 52, and your specific color will be appeared on the right side. You can also increase, as you increase the color code, you can see that the color is changing, like this one. So once you are happy with the values, click OK to apply the color. And here it is. So I hope now you understand how you can input color code in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.